What are you doing? Take that off your face.
These people don't know who I am.
Well, yeah, but we're not robbing it right now. We're gonna rob it later. Don't just. Okay, look. I know this is difficult for you. This is your first time doing a job with us, with me, but we got to get this right. I mean, there's a lot of money. There's like $20,000 in that bank, right? Which is 15 for me and a little bit more for you. Right, so that's how this works. Even Steven, we split it right down the middle. And there's nobody in that bank except for the teller, so we probably should be okay. All right, look. What I want you to do is everything that I do, okay? Everything. That way we're gonna get it done and get it done correctly, okay? All right, so we're gonna go over to that bank over there, all right? We're gonna put our masks over our face. And obviously, I picked my outlaw bunch from the short coach. So, anybody else wants to apply for a job later on as outlaw, please come see me. Santee, Arizona Ghost Riders. Thank you. Okay, look, just do your best, all right? I know that's hard to ask for. Just let's put our masks on and yes, you can put your mask on then. Okay, ready? All right. Okay, take your gun out. Okay. All right, let's go. Give us your money.
Dad, we're robbing the bank.
What?
They're robbing the bank.
Who's robbing the bank?
Lynn.
This.
Your mask keeps falling? Well, that's okay.
Hold it right there.
Oops.
What are you boys up to?
Huh? Hey, Sheriff. How you doing?
Doing fine.
Oh, we're just
How are
making a
you?
little withdrawal. Got the, some money in our pockets and things like that. It's
A little withdrawal.
Yeah, it's withdrawal. Yeah.
So why with the mask if you're just doing a withdrawal?
Well, there was a sign on the bank that said you can't enter without a mask on, so we sort of figured,
I don't recall seeing no sign on the bank
Oh, they're
saying.
all over the place. There's a pandemic going on. You can't be too
No,
careful.
no,
In fact,
no.
you don't
I
have
think-
a mask on. It's a good thing you're social distancing. I'm a little.
I think
I feel
you're
a little
robbing
upset.
the bank.
What?
I said I think you're robbing the bank.
Thanks for robbing the bank. Thanks for robbing. Not really. Okay, well, Sheriff, you might recognize me, Santee, or something. Sorry.
I recognize you, but I don't recognize you from that.
Yeah.
Seems like I got paper on you in my office.
Well, yeah, paperwork, great. Look, here's the situation. There's two of us and only one of you, and we don't want to embarrass you, and, well, we don't want to shoot you dead, so you might just want to,
Obviously, you don't know who I am.
Look,
I'm Arizona Red Tail.
Oh,
Sheriff, Arizona Red
I thought you were dead.
A lot of people have made that mistake. They're all up on Boot Hill just for your keep this up.
You mean that Boot Hill over there? Dan, enough!
Put them up!
Do you have any bullets?
Give it up!
Do you have any bullets? Do you have a bullet? Give me a bullet. No.
Where did you get this car?
I don't know. Yuma.
Well, that's back where he's going is back to Yuma. Hand him over, boys. How did you help me out?
Can somebody help me out? I'm bleeding all over the street here.
Well, no, he ain't gonna run away, but he is bleeding all over the street. I think we clean it up. Get on over here.
Ow.
Get in there. You were helping him rob it. You come out with a mask on.
Well, I'm not even helping him. Not
Get in there. You get in there. I need help. I tell you what, I think I'm the one that's got the clown for a sidekick over there. I tell you. Well, at least we got the money. Wait a minute. Give me the money. what?
It's
That's-
Sunday.
That's right, it is.
Yeah.
Arizona Ghost Riders up!